Welcome back to Totally Car Mad. Today, another video, another look at a section of the used car market. Today we are looking at the hottest hot hatches for under £10,000. We are going to begin with the Audi S1. Now this is a car I drove a little while back. I mean, this one's a Cat S, which gets into our budget, but there are others that are not category cars. These are fabulous little cars. I drove on for a car dealer. I picked it up from his house and drove it back to the ferry, back to the Isle of Man as a little favour for him. And 0-60 in 5.9 seconds and a pretty tasty nearly 40 miles per gallon as well. All the quality and style and features that you expect from an Audi. The S1 is a cheeky little number. That's a hot hatch. The S3, I think they're pretty well known about. Seat Leon Cupra. Now, I had an older Cupra myself. They are a Golf in a Spanish dress. They are a little bit different in styling than the Golf, but fundamentally the same sort of mechanics underneath. Nice seats. I found mine quite sort of bland inside. They're not as stylish as some of the other cars on the list, but they're pretty unusual. They got kind of a cult following of themselves now, the Cupra. Pretty tasty car, fitting into our budget nicely there. 2015 car. These are under 6 seconds for 0-60. Let's have a little look down. What else have we got here? More Audis. A Scirocco. Again, kind of Golf underpinnings, but different styling altogether. Much nicer looking car, I think, than the equivalent Golf. Look at that. Low, wide, ground hugging. Same kind of interior as you'd expect from VW. Functional, stylish, well built. Let's have a look at the numbers. 0-66 seconds, 35 miles per gallon, 261 brake horse. Pretty cool looking car. 7,990. That's a good price, I think. Okay, let's have a little delve a bit further down, see if we can find something a little different. Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now these, I think, are a beautifully styled hatch. What do you think of that? Interior wise, kind of that Fiat Group look of the infotainment system and the buttons and things, but all the same, really nice car. You struggle to find a better looking hot hatch than that. Again, 0-60 times are about 6 seconds. Pretty hot hatch that for our price. Let's go down a Peugeot. Now, I'm not really a fan of anything French unless it's an old Citroen with the air suspension, you know, something quirky. But, you know, it fits into the budget. It's a 2018 car, 70-odd thousand miles. You can see it's come down from over £10,000. You know, it fits the remit, doesn't it? Not 66 seconds and 47 miles per gallon. So if you want fast and frugal, not fast and furious, then maybe a Peugeot 308 is for you. Now then, Scooby. When they brought in this style and changed it from the saloon to the hatch, I wasn't sold. But now, actually, I think they've come into their own a little bit. Pretty aggressive, butch-looking styling for a hatch. Again, with a Scooby, you don't get much on the inside. You get some nice seats. You know, not too much in the way of creature comforts in the cabin, but super nice wheels. What are they? OZ, Super Leggera, Ultra Leggera, I don't know which is which, but nice looking wheels. And for a hot hatch under our 10,000 budget, let's see what the numbers are on performance. I've got a feeling this is going to be the quickest of the lot. 5.2 seconds for 0-62 miles per hour. That is rapid. 296 brake horsepower, 407 newton meters of torque. Terrible on fuel, but you do not buy one of these to be frugal. This is Fast and Furious. I am going to say that is the hottest of hot hatches for under £10,000. If you had £10,000 to spend on a hot hatch, what are you going to throw your money at? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe we'll do another video and look at some other options. But for me, I think the Scooby stands out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Totally car mad.